Hello everyone, this is Ibrahim again with Quiet Lawn and the Green Helpers, and today I'm going to show you how we deal with customer complaints at Quiet Lawn. So as you grow and as you scale up and grow your business, one of the common issues you're going to face is how you respond to your customer complaints. It's not always all of your customers complaining, but there tends to be 5 to 10% of your customers who will always find some issue and complain about it. And for that, we need to have standard responses in place to be able to give to them, because as you grow, it gets harder and harder to train your staff and employees on different issues related to lawn care and how to respond to complaints and how to respond to different questions that are not necessarily general knowledge, for example. So what we did at Quiet Lawn was we set up a database of common complaints that we tend to get throughout the year, and we have standard responses for each of those complaints to give to the customer. So anyone, any staff, they don't have to be knowledgeable on lawn care specifically, but they can come into this database, look up the complaint, and find a standard response to give to the customer. This is so important, or building a good relationship with your customers and having that top-notch customer service. So in this database, for example, we have questions related to all kinds of complaints that we tend to get. For example, one of them is, why are there lots of weeds? Why aren't the weeds dying? So this is one of the questions we get on a very common basis. And the response to that is, I understand weeds are an issue throughout the year in our warm subtropical climate. That's why we treat them 7 times a year. Unfortunately, there is no treatment out there that can keep weeds out permanently. Our technician will be spraying them again soon during your next treatment. Simple and easy. Our employees can come in, look up this complaint, find the response, and send it to them. They can click on this button to simply copy the response and paste it on a text or an email, or if someone's on the phone, they can just read it out loud. That's it. For example, someone calls and starts complaining about noticing black spots on the lawn, for example. So our employees can come in here and search for black spots, and you see there is a complaint with a standard response already in the system. They can click on it. They also have pictures for reference, and there is a standard response for it. This is slime mold, and it's very common during the rainy times of the summer. It's harmless to the grass and it will go away on its own. Simple and easy, and someone doesn't have to be an expert on molds to be able to give this answer, because it's standardized, and we made it easy for our employees to find these complaints and find responses to them easily. And this is what you need to be doing as well, because this is key into scaling your business and growing your business in a way where you're dealing with customer complaints in a very easy way. Otherwise, customer complaints will become a bottleneck for you when it comes to growing, because if you're spending a lot of time dealing with customer complaints, it takes away that much time away from things you could be doing that will be much more productive for your business. But yeah, if you want us to set up something like this for you, please let us know. We would be happy to help you. Leave a comment down below if you're interested in this. If you guys want help in some of this information, we will be absolutely happy to set this up for you. And if you have any questions, or if you have any concerns or anything, any feedback at all, please leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys on the next video.